It's kind of crazy how so many different people teach so many different ways to make money online, yet so few people are successful at it. Well, no need to look further. Here's a proven formula that I've used to withdraw just under $550 within the last 3 days. I still have just over $300 due to be paid out within the next 3 days. So that is over $800, nearly $900 this week alone doing this, all simply using these assets and folders on Google Drive. If you want to use my simple strategy that I use to make hundreds of dollars every single week passively using Google Drive folders, make sure to watch this video until the end. I'm going to break it down in a simple step-by-step formula and make this as easy as possible for you guys. Just to show you that this is my account dashboard. So this is my WAP account. WAP is the specific payment processor that I use to process payments in my country. I'm from South Africa, so therefore Stripe is not accepted in my country. PayPal has too many issues when it comes to customers and that kind of thing, and they just take too long to process any disputes or any queries that customers have. So therefore, I've moved over to WAP.com. Really amazing alternative to accept payments online. This is not a sponsorship deal or an affiliate promotion of this website. It's completely free to sign up and free to use this website, very similarly to PayPal and Stripe. But with that being said, let's dive into how you can make over $500 online using Google Drive completely for free. All I'm doing is I'm creating viral AI automated TikToks that is getting tons of views on TikTok. Then all I'm doing is I'm plugging in those Google Drive folder documents into a very simple yet effective and high converting sales landing page to sell this product at a very cheap price. But the whole point of this is to not make a lot of money per sale, but to get a lot of sales where that small volume adds up to a lot. And eventually, later down the line in your sales pages, you can have upsells and downsells and actually acquire multiple sales from the same person within that funnel. But let's keep the strategy simple. I want to keep the picture and the strategy as clear as possible for you to make this as easy as possible for you. Step number 1 is to come over to this Google Drive. If you guys want access to this, make sure you subscribe down below with the notification bell on. Leave a like, comment down below any futures videos that you would like to see from me. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jay. I make daily videos documenting my journey on various ways that I use to make money online. Leaving that like and comment down below really helps me out in motivating me to create as much as valuable content for you as possible. My audience here at my YouTube channel has kind of become like a part of my family, so I'm here every single day delivering you guys as much as value in documenting my journey. And I will reply to your comment with a link to this Google Drive. Now, what exactly is this Google Drive and how is it able to make this amount of money online? Essentially what this Google Drive is, it's an editing assets folder for content creators, especially content editors, such as 3D animated icons, 3D icons, 130 newspaper magazine background effects, animated and still text effects, animated icons, animated letters, animated numbers, backgrounds, Danco assets. So you'll see if I click on backgrounds, it's kind of like these wavy blue background videos that you see on those viral Instagram videos. Danco assets, those black and white visual overlays that you also see on viral videos, as well as fonts, blur, film burn, transitions, glow icons, hand animations, money overlays, paper overlays, more overlays, transitions, text, sound effects, etc. I personally paid over $200 for this folder, and I was able to turn this into a monthly income. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. So first is first, come over to this folder and it will automatically save to your shared with me folder on Google Drive. The next step is we need to come over to TikTok and we need to find viral video editing niche pages. So for example, video editing tips. Let's click on search on TikTok. We can use this tool over here from the Chrome extension store called the TikTok and Instagram sorter, which will sort all of your videos by the most viewed videos. So for example, we can filter this by views and it will filter the videos with the most views. This video over here that got over 5.8 million views teaches you how to make viral edits on CapCut. So this could be a really great example of a video to use. So we can go and click on this video. All right, go and copy the link of this video. Come over to Google and go over to getsubs.cc. And this is a tool that will extract the captions from the particular video that you've just copied on TikTok. So we can go and paste this video over here, click on Get Subs, and it will download the subtitles of this video. Here you'll see primary subtitles of the video. Make sure you click on the yellow TXT button. This stands for text format. And immediately it will start downloading to your PC. If a pop-up ads pops up like this, I've obviously got my antivirus on like this, you can just close this and don't worry about that. It's just 1 or 2 ads that will pop up on this website. Step number 3, come over to Claude.ai and type the following. Add punctuation to this. Open the folder where we have downloaded that subtitles of that video and drag and drop that into Claude.ai. Click on send. And what it's going to do is it's going to rewrite this entire subtitle script with proper and humanized punctuation. And as simple as that, you've got more punctual and proper punctuation. Step number 4, come over to autoshorts.ai. This is a powerful AI video creation platform that will allow you to fully automate a faceless channel and create videos very similar to this. So I'm pretty sure you've seen a couple of videos like this, especially on Instagram and TikTok, that get hundreds of thousands and millions of views. What I'm going to show you today is how you can already take these viral videos from TikTok and turn them into a humanized AI original looking video. So it's not copying and pasting, it's not copying his script and reusing it. We're going to make a completely new AI video with our own original words, with our own originality based on his script. Because the script in this video has already proven to go viral. So we are going to replicate that and piggyback that from this video. So we can then click on the sign up button over here, try autoshorts.ai completely for free. Once you've signed in, on the left hand side, click on create. For your destination, click on email me instead. For your content, we can click on custom. In order to get a custom prompt that piggybacks that viral TikTok video, come back to Claude.ai and type the following. What prompt would I use to generate more scripts like these examples? Copy the script that we've just generated with Claude.ai that has now been added with punctuation. Click on enter, paste this over here, and click on send. And there you have it. To generate more simple scripts like this, you should use prompts such as create a short step-by-step tutorial script for a mobile video editing tip. The script should start with a brief introduction of what tip will achieve, list 5 to 7 concise tips of a specific editing technique or effect, use simple direct language, and the rest. So what we can go and do is we can go and copy this just as is, come back to autoshorts.ai, and paste your custom prompt. Narration voice, select echo. Video language, English, duration preference 60 to 90 seconds. And click on create series. And in the next 10 to 15 minutes, we will now have a done for you AI generated and faceless video based on this viral TikTok video in our own unique words and our own humanized way. And there we go. Just like that, this video is now complete. Take a quick listen.
Now your video has smooth, professional-looking transitions. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different effects and timings. Comment edit, and he'll send a 300 premium editing asset pack at 90% off. Happy editing.
All right, you get the idea. Now all you want to go and do is, at the end of this video, you want to type the following in the script of this video. Comment edit, and I'll send over a 300 premium editing asset pack at 90% off. Happy editing. That's all you want to do. Click on update video and let this video update. It'll take about another 5 to 10 minutes. And just like that, we can now click on download video, and this video will now download to our PC. The next step is very simple. Come over to Instagram and create a video editing theme page. And all you want to do is go and post one of these TikToks at least once a day, consistently for the next couple of months, even years. And you will slowly but surely start to build an audience and start to get a ton of sales on this product. And every time someone comments on your Instagram post that word edit to get their discount code, you can come over to a website called ManyChat.com. Now, ManyChat.com is an amazing tool that you can use to automate Instagram comments. So what it will do is when somebody comments on your Instagram page, for example, that specific keyword edit, it'll automatically DM them the link to the checkout page of that editing asset pack, and you get paid online. Simple platform you can go and use to upload that editing asset pack to go and get paid is Gumroad.com. Just click on start selling. You can create your simple page. The checkout and everything is already done for you, and you can start getting paid. That's essentially how I nearly made $1,000 this week alone with this simple editing assets pack. If you guys want to learn how I apply the same strategy on various different digital products, this is what I do full time. I run 6-figure businesses, 10 to 20K a month online businesses, using strategies like this, applying very strategically designed funnels through my digital products to get my audience to convert to sales. I'm going to give you a completely free course. This course I was going to create on a private membership area to sell for a couple of $100. But I posted it on my YouTube channel for free last week because I want you guys to succeed at this. I want to see you guys getting results. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to guide you. That's my passion. It's what I love doing. So I made it completely for free. I'll put the video up here on the screen. What I recommend you do is, if you can't watch this now, make sure to save it to your watch later and watch it in a time and space where there's no phones, no girlfriends, no boyfriends, no distractions, that you can take notes and focus on this video. Very powerful video that will introduce you to funnel building, selling, more in-depth strategies on how you can sell and scale digital selling products like this to make it online and be successful. Click on the video above. I'll see you guys on the inside.